The belief factor that the team at UWE thought this was a worthwhile project and what we're doing is worthwhile meant a lot. It's remarkable. I mean, Dave and I started this in my back bedroom with a tiny amount of coffee and a bit of a pipe dream of trying to build a roastery. We set ourselves apart as being a direct trade coffee company. We work overseas with coffee farmers and coffee communities. One of our highest values is relationships. So it doesn't really matter whether we're working with coffee farmers in Tanzania or UWE on this. It's always got to be two-way. So we started the company in 2006 and steadily growing sort of fairly organically. And as we outgrew our premises, we started looking at where we could move to and to build or buy a new place. And get new equipment and get new roasting. So then naturally you start to look at where the funding could come from and is there any support. We came across UWE and the Scale Up for Growth. The connection to UWE came at such a good time because we were looking to make the leap to growth anyway, but moving to a new premises always has more costs than you expect. And so actually the support from UWE really eased that pain as far as some of the moving costs and the investment in the new building and of course the investment in the new kit. Moving here has opened great opportunities more for clients to come in and see the process. We're opening up for roastery tours, training schools. 15 years ago we never thought we'd have a huge roaster and a whole load of kit and staff and all the rest of it. I love it, it gets me out of bed in the morning.